Hi guys, this is Iyafin Ibukunoluwa Oniya, but my first name is Sisi. So this is the spinach, which is efo. So I'm Oyibo Yoruba. So in my Oyibo way, this is how I make my egusi and my efo riro. So I wash the spinach, make sure all this sand and everything, all the dirt is coming off. This is tatashe and rodo. This is onion and what's this? Eru, which is locust beans. This is palm oil, stockfish, maggi. This is the iyo. This is shaki, kidney, beef, and egusi. So this is how, I will not tell you all the secrets of my delicious food, but this is how I'll be cooking my egusi today.